This is the Onyx Hotel project, a full exterior transformation by Gables & Grove. Over 5 months, we took the building from rough stucco to a smooth, modern finish. Our teams refined every wall, corner, and more than 170 doors and windows. Our production team also managed all permitting and color approvals with the city of Miami Springs. All window and door frames were recoated with durable DTM products for a clean, commercial-grade finish. Sidewalks, the entrance, and the roundabout were cleaned and refinished using a permanent concrete stain system. Once the new stucco cured, we primed with Loxon and finished with 2 coats of SuperPaint for long-lasting protection. We refreshed the parking deck and installed over 300 feet of custom handrails. A complete exterior upgrade, stucco, paint, concrete, and structural details brought together with precision. We also rebuilt the entire roofline fascia, and this is the new look of the Onyx Hotel, renewed by Gables & Grove.